Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is my iPhone 70 Pro. Let's go to unboxing and setup. This is my phone. And we have got it. And this is a cable. So let's go to your setup. Long press to my power button. Swipe up to open. At first need to select your language. So I can select English. Okay. Select your country or region. Showing it to three different ways: default, medium and large. Like I'm select medium option. Default, press on continue. Set up without another device. Press on. Press on. Enter your password. Press on right mark and you just connect your Wi-Fi. Press on continue. Face ID. If you want to set up Face ID right now or set up later, so I'm just select and just enter passcode. I'm just set up passcode in this time. If you want to change 4 digit, okay, all right. Press on, don't transfer anything, and enter your Apple ID. Continue and enter password. Continue. Okay, enter just verification code. Press on agree. Press on continue. select this option, set up later, set up later, continue, not now, continue, and finally set up. Okay, all right. So that's it.